The video was shot in 2017. Here are 7,000 layer chickens. The farm finished in 2008. This is our hot, deep, galvanized chicken cage. Our two types of chicken cages are very popular, A-type and H-type, fully automatic. We will give you quotation and cage layout based on your land or poultry house size. Our products are fully automatic laying hen cages, broiler cages, day-old chicken cage, feed processing units, and so on. We have rich experience of local poultry farm. What's up to us now to get quotation of chicken cage and your poultry farm plan?